All right, checking out DXY, the dollar index. Haven't looked at this in a few days. I know it's been causing some issues in the market with things pushing a little bit further than they normally would. Now I can see why. Got this zone here that it's still within, but was really testing. And at one point it was stuck more down here, but this area here, oops, this area here, which it obviously broke and now is held above. So now it's retesting this main area here at between, well, pretty much right at 103, in between 103 and 103.5. So today seems to be printing a bit of a doji candle, so that's good. Looks like it's turning around possibly, but again, you still have higher low wicks here, so on the daily. So I would wait for those to definitely, wait for price to break one of these for sure. Ideally, you got this 1 hour moving average. You would want price to break below that, so and create lower lows and lower highs. Right now, it's still creating higher highs, higher lows pretty much, but you do have a nice, really nice 1 hour zone here being respected. So I do like that. I would want this dollar to push back down, and I think it will, but it might actually become bullish though. You might push back down, but it might not push all the way. It might get stuck somewhere around here. It might just basically be pulling back and might kind of go a bit bullish for a while. But as far as today looks, it looks like it's going to sell off. It's still pretty early in the day. There's still 6 hours and almost 45 minutes. But this would be a key zone to keep in mind. There is an area here too as well. If this starts pulling back. But it is within its month. It has done its monthly range now, so I think let's see. We'll double check, but pretty sure. Oh no, it's only at 2 points, and it usually does 3.6. So it has not done its monthly range. Might go another point up, so it could hit up 104, 104.5 still. So that's good to know, because like I said, there still is some bullish, like the bullish structure is still in place here. Higher highs, higher lows. It looks like it's kind of changing here, but again, it did create a higher low here versus here, so don't really know with the dollar yet. Hopefully we know a little bit more sooner, because this really determines a lot of pairs, right? Determines gold, determines the indexes. So even USD yen, which I'm currently in, it'll determine that. So these are all things that matter. So yeah, so with the dollar index here, I'm looking to. Obviously there's no trade here or anything. I don't even trade the dollar index. I don't know if you can. I can't. My broker doesn't allow me or anything. So, but yeah, just kind of looking to see where this will come to an end possibly, and where this new liquidity zone is. I got this little area here, but you can actually extend it. You can see that once was respected here as well. So it could sell off here, but we definitely need more confirmation. We need lower lows, lower highs. We need this 1 hour moving average to be at least caught up, if not break below. I do like these, this is a 1 hour bearish candle here, bearish engulfing candle, but we did have one previously over here too, so then it got bought back up. So definitely need this to come to an end. This little upwards move that it's been producing. So I don't know how. Maybe I'm the only one that feels that way, but I kind of want the dollar to come back down. But I guess I'm sure if it favors you for it to go up, then you want it to go up. So that really just depends on who's looking at it. But I do see, if you look at it from a technical standpoint, it hasn't made a. Just put this like here. It has not made a pullback in a while. So basically, when it's done moving for the month, which I don't know if it is yet, as far as range, like I said, it's only moved 2 points, and it usually moves 3.6, so at least 3, I guess. So it might be due for a retrace, and that would put us right in these zones here. It would actually put us, like, a significant retrace would be the 618 zone, which would put us right with these wicks over here. So that would kind of make sense, but might be a bit of a long shot right now looking at it. But it does seem to be coming into some issues at above 103 here. So That's a pretty clear sign, right? You got these previous wicks here. You can even extend this over, and then you can see price like really staying within this zone so far, and you know, rejecting the top of the zone even. So kind of hopeful on that. I wonder if I might put a little price here. I think it'd be like 103.25. See where that ends up. See if it holds any wicks in that. There you go, bang on. So maybe 103.25 is the official price. We don't know yet, but perhaps soon. So yeah, keep that in mind. We'll see if this sells off. We'll see if it breaks these lows, and if it breaks this moving average, because that'd be huge. That would show us that the momentum is switching, possibly. And again, you don't know where it's going to head to. I mean, it might only head back to this zone here, and then for the rest of the month, and then straight back up after. But delete this zone. So yeah, that's my take on the dollar index. Just gonna have to wait and see. There's no real clear signs, but I think it is at a turning point now. So it's like either it breaks above 103.25 and, you know, heads higher, and we're obviously bullish because it's above this moving average, or it breaks below this 103 today, closes, breaks below like this wick here, which would be at 102.72. That would be huge. If it breaks below the 1 hour moving average, that would be huge. And then yeah, if it just basically closes below this zone, and then this moving average obviously is the daily moving average, so that would signal that we're still bearish. So yeah, that's what I got on DXY.